Hello folks, it's Devin here at Indian Head Chrysler, the home of the $30,000 giveaway. I am here with a fresh new trade for you. It is a 2020 GMC Sierra Off-Road Edition. It has the 5.3 liter V8. Let's check it out. In the interior of this truck, it comes with a luxurious and very comfortable leather interior. We do have the heated steering wheel as well as heated seats in the front for the passenger and the driver. And it also comes equipped with a trailer brake, so the total trailer package, memory seats for the driver, as well as safety features including lane departure assist and parking sensors. Included as well is the touchscreen, which will include Apple CarPlay, so you do have that connectivity with your phone. And in the back seat, of course, we've also got leather seats for the passenger. There are two charging ports, USB charging ports in the back as well. Rubber mats and storage underneath the seat. It is a 60/40 folding seat. And in the back, also an armrest along with a couple of cup holders. So if you do have passengers, cups of coffee, room for two. That's a double. This GMC Sierra also comes equipped with an automatic tailgate that can be controlled by the key fob or from within the cab. And also, for convenience and safety in moving cargo, we also have the step gate available. Much safer, very convenient, and a really great feature on this truck. So there it is, folks, 2020 low kilometers GMC Sierra. Come on down, book your test drive today. You can give me a call directly at 306-540-6101 or call the store here at 306-695-2254 and talk to myself, Phil, Eddie, or Liz, and we'd be glad to help you out. So come on out and find out why everyone is driving another Indian Head Chrysler.